Hello! Do you know how to count in the 2 times table? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So the 2 times table could look something like this. So you'd start off with the number 2, and it would just, as it sounds, you count in 2s. So go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, if you keep going up to 20, the next bit becomes really easy. Because then all you do, little trick for you, you just put a 1 in front of each of these numbers. And then that's all you do. So you could now go 12, like that, 14, 16, 18, and the final one is 20. And that's all you do for the 2 times table. So let's just count it together one final time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that's it. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!